Alright, we're going to do a walkthrough of 148 Tremont Street in Trenton, which my friend Terry has been rehabbing for a while. Looks amazing. I wish I had pictures of what it looked like before. It's got completely new flooring. Redid the parge out front. It looks fantastic. This thing is nearly ready to go. It has a few things that have to be addressed, but the flooring in here is terrific. So this is restored. This is original to the house. It's actually been redone on this entire floor, as well as going up the stairs. The kitchen's been remodeled. There's actually a full bath down here, which is unusual. There's two full baths in this unit. This one needs a little bit of work still, but it's nearly there. Washer dryer hookups right over here. An awesome exterior porch with front entry. This is a great place to put your trash, right? So front entry, rear entry. Terry's out back doing some weed whacking right now. Great private yard, brand new fence. It's just fantastic. It really is. Basement's a little dark, but I'll show you the basement. Plumbing mains have all been redone, which is a big expense. What do we got for amps? We got a 100 amp service coming in. Nice dry basement. Good boiler. Actually, I think he just put this in. No, this is a 2016. Why did I think he put this in? Anyway, this is a 2016 winterization, but it's in good shape. Water heater was put in 2012. Again, you can see the plumbing has all been replaced all the way to the back, which is huge. We did the stairs. I keep yelling at him. He spends too much money on his flips, but he loves doing it. So all the flooring up here is completely new. So he redid all the floors with real wood. Bathroom's redone. New windows throughout. Good storage in each of the bedrooms. This is bedroom 2. Good closet. Big bedroom 3. And the attic is finished off too. You got some great space up here, top of it, and I can walk through without hitting my head, which is important. Again, a ton of storage up here, including a cedar closet, and it's a solid house. So, let me know what you think.